Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today and staying cool outside. After all, yesterday was the start of summer. Oh, we can feel the effects. All right, moving on. Yes, I'm doing another Stranger Things haul, but before I will show all you guys what I got in the past and yesterday? No, today, this morning. My bad. Okay, I gotta show you my eyeshadow, my makeup look. Using I still have the, I know I'm nuts. I have the I used the Max Stranger Things uh palettes and to make come up with this makeup look inspired by Chrissy from season 4. And gotta have that like frosty blue eyeshadow or aquamarine eyeshadow. So this is how I did it. I used the 217 SES brush, and what I did was I mixed from the class of 1986 palette. I mixed a Benny's Burger, and then from the Void palette, I mixed Benny's Burger with the Void's Demigorgon. I put them on the crease and then outer V right here. Then I went back to the class of 1986 palette where I put that Melvald's General Store on the lid. Okay, and then to blend the crease so it's not going to be too, to blend the crease as much as I can. Also highlight color. I used Surfboard Boy Pizza. I swept it under the brow bone, and then I used this 217 brush again, and I just blended it down toward the crease area, and there you have it. Oh, by the way, I used Friends Don't Lie blush. A little too much, but that's okay. And I put Erie L lip gloss, and there you have it. That's how I would do the Chrissy inspired makeup look. Hope I look good. All right, let's move on with the video. Okay. So, and I'm going to do this in the order that I got these 3 items. So, I'm not too much of a fan of like Funko Pops and all that stuff. But, well, okay, I'm going to do it in the order that I got them. So, the first thing that I bought, this is from the Stranger Things store from a couple of years ago. And this is Dustin's Bitty Bopper. Yeah. So I got this in the Stranger Things store. So cute. And then, does that item work? Yes, it works very well. For that little thing, it works amazingly well. As I recall, it was $19.99 at the store. And then they also sold it in Walmart. I don't know if they do the Stranger Things still in Walmart, but I believe it was $29.99. So, okay. Now moving on. And then my friend at work gave me this one, this Funko Pop of Robin. So cute, and she's wearing her her new uniform in that video store. So here it is. I haven't opened it up yet. She's really cute. And last but not least, so I've been waiting 2 years to finally get this one, and I felt bad that I didn't get it right away along with the Dustin Bitty Bopper Bitty Boomer, sorry. I'm gonna go on with the Bitty Boomer's Bluetooth speaker. So I've always wanted to get this one, and again, I felt bad that I didn't get it when I had the chance at the Stranger Things store. Why the heck not get it at the Stranger Things store? You know what I'm saying? So finally, because I think this is so cute, and you know, I have a crush on this guy even before I met this character in Universal Studios Hollywood's Halloween Horror Nights and the Stranger Things for me. So here it is, and I finally got this baby right here. Yes. Mwah. This is Steve's this is Steve in season 3 season finale. He's in his Scoops Ahoy outfit, and then you can see the black eye. There's a band-aid, and then there's scratches. And so I finally got this one. I haven't opened it up yet, but so there you have it. That is my another Stranger Things haul. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.